Google AdWords is the king of online advertising platforms. But if you don't know what you're doing, the king can be a bit daunting. Fortunately, you don't have to do it on your own. We're here to help. Obviously, covering every aspect of AdWords would take hours. We've got a 15,000 word blog post for that. But in this video, we're going to focus on two keys to AdWords success: goals and budget. Whether you're advertising on AdWords or anywhere else, every good online marketing plan starts with a goal. Depending on your business's needs, this goal may be increasing sales or driving traffic to your site. Whatever your goal, knowing what you want to get out of your campaigns will guide every decision you make in AdWords. In addition to picking the right goals, it's important to know what you can afford to spend to reach those goals. Often, marketers and business owners pick their AdWords budgets on a whim or based on what they feel like they can afford at the time. This is a real shame because careless budgeting often leads to ineffective campaigns or a lot of wasted ad spend. You should answer the following questions when settling on your budget. Who am I marketing to? How will my buyer personas find me? And how much can I afford to spend to generate a new customer? Once you've figured out a budget that makes sense for this campaign, divide it by 30 and enter the result as the average you want to spend each day in the budget section. In a given month, AdWords won't spend more than 30 times more than your daily average, but it might spend more or less in a specific day. Once you've figured out what your marketing goals and budget are, it's time to actually set up your campaigns. For an in-depth guide on how to do that, and so much more, check out the full blog post by clicking on the link. And, as always, like and subscribe.